to the channel. My name is Jeremy. This is lacomidadejeremie. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a couple recipes for you guys to celebrate Labor Day weekend. And we're gonna Google what Labor Day means because I know not everybody celebrates this. This might just be a US holiday. It's a national holiday and we get a 3-day weekend. That's all I know. But let's ask Google what exactly does it mean. According to Google,
the first Monday of September is the creation of the labor movement and is dedicated to the social and economic achievements of American workers. It constitutes a yearly national tribute to the contributions workers have made to the strength, prosperity, and well-being of our country.
So technically it just means that we have been busting our asses 9 to 5 every single damn day. Some of you guys work the graveyard shift, sometimes you guys work in the middle. Whatever you guys have to do to pay your bills and pay taxes, that's what we do. So we're celebrating us with a 3-day weekend. And what better to do for this 3-day weekend other than cook for you guys? So I have prepared some delicious recipes. So before the fall approaches, let's get to cooking and enjoy the rest of the summer that we have before it quickly ends. Alright guys, so first recipe that we're going to be making is Ensalada Rusa. This is basically a Russian potato salad. It's very heavily in Puerto Rican and Dominican baby showers, parties, all kinds of barbecues. And this is one of my favorite sides to add to any barbecue that I go to. Basically, we're gonna boil some potatoes and then we're gonna mix together all of our wet ingredients with our seasonings, and this is gonna be the sauce that we put on top of those boiled potatoes. We're gonna mix that in with some carrots and then we're gonna set this in the fridge. This is the perfect appetizer to have at any freaking barbecue. Next up, we have Puerto Rican Pinchos al barbecue. These are basically skewers where you can add any kind of ingredient that you would like. I'm going for a sweet fried plantain combination with a grilled on the George Foreman marinated tofu. You can add whatever sauce you would like. I'm going for barbecue because normally that's what we put on our pinchos whenever we make them at home. And you can add whatever vegetables you would like. I'm going for cucumbers and some onions. And then I'm adding some more sauce, putting down the George Foreman so the rest of the ingredients can cook up. And to finish this off, we're gonna add some bread on top of that because Puerto Ricans love their carbs, and we add bread to our skewers because basically you're gonna make a sandwich with all of the ingredients, and this is so freaking perfect. For our third recipe, we have some easy grilled corn. So pretty much I just put this on the George Foreman with a little bit of oil. Once that's done grilling up nice and charred up, you can add butter, salt, pepper, whatever you want. I went simple salt and pepper, and this is ready to be eaten. And for our final recipe, we have a buffalo chicken dip. This stuff is so freaking delicious. We're gonna grill up some jackfruit on a pan with a little bit of oil. Then we're gonna season this with our sofrito, sazon, tomato, adobo, same Puerto Rican seasonings that we always use. Add a little bit of water to make sure that it all gets easily incorporated. Then we're gonna put everything in a large mixing bowl. We're gonna mash up some butter beans or garbanzo beans with a little bit of cream cheese, mayo, and then we're gonna add our jackfruit, mix that all up, make sure that it's really incorporated. You're gonna season this with whatever you'd like. I usually go for salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, of course our buffalo sauce. Set that in the fridge for at least 30 minutes and you're ready to go. Bring this to your next picnic, barbecue, and I'm telling you, it's a winner. Alright, there you guys have it. 4 delicious recipes for you guys to enjoy with your loved ones, with your family, partner, friends, whoever the hell you want to, by yourself, at the beach, in the pool, in the bathtub, watching Netflix, in bed, whatever you're gonna do. Enjoy these recipes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we go, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. It's a nice, big, beautiful red button, and you're gonna go ahead and turn that gray because we want you guys to be part of the familia. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Have a good Labor Day weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.